Hi everyone! Welcome to today's hands-on laser marking tutorial. In this session, we'll walk you through the full process of creating high-quality, high-precision laser marks on a stainless steel outdoor cup. Today's setup includes three key components: the fiber laser machine itself, a rotary axis, and SCAD 2.0 software. Alright, let's get started. First, we'll place the cup onto the rotary axis. Make sure it's properly positioned and clamped so it stays level while rotating. Then we'll use the red light to help adjust the Z-axis until the laser is focused right on the cup surface. Now open SCAD 2.0 and start a new project. Import the design or text you want to mark. Vector formats like AI or DXF are recommended to keep the details sharp. Next, adjust the size based on the dimensions of the cup. For this demo, we'll set the Y-axis to 40 millimeters to 40 millimeters, speed to 1000 millimeters per second, power at 70 W, and frequency at 30 kilohertz. Set the fill line spacing to 0.01 millimeters for a smooth, detailed result. Now we'll rotate the design to match the angle of the marking surface.
Enter the actual outer diameter of the cup, for example, 68.5 millimeters, to set the correct rotation diameter.
Then, use the red light preview feature in the software to check the marking position and ensure the pattern is perfectly aligned with the target area. Enable the rotation axis synchronization option to ensure the pattern spreads evenly as the cup rotates. Once all settings are complete, click the Mark button. The machine will automatically activate the rotation axis and begin the laser marking process. Watch the marking process to ensure smooth rotation and seamless pattern. Once the marking is complete, you'll notice the sharp edges and even depth of the marking, eliminating the need for additional finishing. This type of rotary laser marking is widely used for customized outdoor sports water bottles, branding on stainless steel mugs for corporate gifts. Welcome to follow us to get more laser teaching content or contact us to customize exclusive solutions.